This video will show you how to submit a claim to the co-operators using their online portal. Go to their website and sign in using your co-operator's login details. If you don't have an account yet, contact the co-operators and they'll assist you with setting one up. When submitting a paramedical claim to the co-operators, no pre-approval or doctor's note is required. Simply submit your receipts, and once approved, reimbursement is typically deposited into your bank account within a few days. If your practitioner offers direct billing, you can present your drug card and they will bill the co-operators on your behalf. After clicking Submit a Claim, you'll be taken to a member information page showing the plan holder, all eligible covered dependents, and the address on file. Scroll to the bottom of the page to review your banking information, where your reimbursement will be deposited, then click Continue. Next, you will select the type of claim from the drop-down menu. The two options are health or dental. Then choose the category and benefits type. Next, select the patient the claim is for, either yourself or a dependent. For the provider, choose from practitioners you've used before or add a new medical practitioner. Next, attach your receipts and confirm whether there is coordination of benefits for this claim and press Continue. Last step will be a window showing you an overview of your submission. Once you have confirmed all the information is correct, press Submit and you are done. Within a few days you will see the reimbursement in your bank account. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please call the co-operators at 1-800-667-8164 or email the Beneplan Client Service Department at service@beneplan.ca.